Higazers. I shared this trade in the private list on February 1st right here. The price of this coin was 4 cents and you put a sell order right here. The daily resistance at 15 cents. 214%. I made 200%. I made $20,000 this trade. Guys, all about volume. You guys need focus on volume. My software is tracking volume spike plus buyer power. Volume pump, volume spike is the same thing. You see these candles down here? It's all volume spike, guys. Overall today we are on the pump season, altcoin season. We just made $83,000, 830% profit. Okay, the trades I shared in the private list was Higazers Hiod, Stepwatch, High Sun 33, Umbrella Network again, guys, and Exeedme. Like I mentioned before, take a look this volume here: 2.1 million, 1.5, 2.2, 1.8, $342,000, 1.1. Guys, if I made $83,000, you can make the same profits I do because we trade as a group. I share my trades in the private list. Everyone buy the same coin at the same time. That's the reason we make so much money. Hiod, guys, I shared this trade in the private list right here on January 30. We bought this coin for 0.0028 and you put a sell order right here. Our order just get filled 0.0079. 0.8. I made $17,000 500 this coin, 170%. Like I mentioned before the pump, there is a pre-pump. The pre-pump happened right here. This is a volume spike. Okay. Umbrella Network was very predictable. I shared this trade in the private list on 29. We bought this coin for 0.012. Put a sell order right here, 0.025. Guys, I made $90,000 this trade. Okay, so if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. I print screen my monitor and share all my trades in the private list. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell the main cryptos. What is the main cryptos? Main cryptos are Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Dogecoin, Cardano, Polygon, Polkadot, Litecoin, Solana. It's all about the track. The software is tracking the market 24/7, guys. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com is the way to go. We trade as a family here. Everybody buy the same coin at the same time. We jump in and jump out of the market before the market find the coin. Okay, we trade like a sniper. Okay, about Bitcoin update, guy, like I mentioned before, this white line here work as a resistance. It's called 200 exponential moving average. My call on buy Bitcoin for trade crypto members was here $16,000, and so far we already made almost 41% up. Okay, Pump and Dump group knows when they should buy and sell Bitcoin, but I'll let you know, guys. 830% profit in 48 hours is insane. It's insane. Feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. By the way, guys, give me a like this video, share. Okay, if you wanna check updates about Bitcoin, you can go to my Twitter, go to Pump and Dump Boy Twitter, and I put updates about Bitcoin. I just put this update here today. You got a bullish divergence right here and bullish signal right here. The MACD is crossing down. The stochastic RSI is crossing down. The RSI is crossing down. It's time is now, guys. Don't waste your time. Time is money. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. With this software, I control and track the entire market. Let me show you the trades I share in the private list on the last 2 weeks. You're gonna be impressed. Swing trade uptrend. Take a look at this. Mask Network went up 104%. Random token 295%. Take a look at this. This is insane, y'all. I leave you 150%. SS Network 134%. Synapse 145%, Everscale 300%, Flock 220, okay, High Street 300%. Guys, 300%. You don't make this kind of amount of money in stock market. You only make it crypto. Remember, cryptocurrency is a worldwide, is an international market. It doesn't sleep, man. It's 24/7. Let's trade together. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day, and I'm waiting for you. Bye bye.